God morgon! God morgon! You're trying to look mad? You're only half succeeding. Tyrion. Someone wants some breakfast. I just need to fix some last few things with the vlog though that I forgot yesterday or just was too tired to do. So yeah, we're almost ready for breakfast. We are on our way to the library. We were gonna walk, but then everything just took so much time. Theo needed some food and Tyrion needed a snack so he would last until lunch and stuff. So we're gonna take the car to the library and return some books and get some new ones that we can read for Tyrion at bedtime. And then the plan is to do some chores. Normal Saturday stuff for us, just kind of clean the house and get stuff done. And I also want to sit at the computer because I really haven't since we got Theo, because I don't know, I just feel stressed, but I am in a Sims mood, so hopefully gonna get to sit at the computer as well. Much better. Here's our loot. We have lots of fun books. This one is about getting a sibling, and I have another one of those in here because I feel like we need to talk about that a bit more. And then we have some Pippi Longstocking, and this is a favorite too. So yeah, lots of fun books. Now we're gonna go back home and hopefully get some stuff done. Maybe. I'm not super motivated, but we'll see. Gotta love those fat cheeks. I just managed to transfer Theo to his stroller. Let's keep our fingers crossed that he stays asleep there. That would be awesome, because he is not a baby who is easily transferred when he's sleeping. Oh no! No, 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 no. He moved his arms. Look at him. So cute. And now we're gonna go to the front of the house and just kind of rip up the flower beds, or at least take some stuff away that shouldn't be there, that's been there since last year. So we're gonna go outside, all of us, and hopefully Theo stays somewhat happy there so we can all get some stuff done. Well, Tyrion's gonna play, but us adults can get some stuff done. So Theo is fed up already, and I don't blame him because it's really windy and cold and stuff, but I got them somewhere at least. It looks better than it did, and I'm gonna have to be happy with that for now. The boys are over here playing. Tyrion's so happy because he finally has his sand toys again. They've been hidden on the back porch. Maybe I talked about that before. So he's playing with Michael now, and I think Theo and I are just gonna go inside because it's cold. Yeah, you're playing. Oh, a trench. How fun. Oh, that's good.
Jag hälsar en vagn som jag kan lägga minsann.
That's awesome. Jag går in.
Kan du få det upp då? Kom närmare då.
Gärna på mig också.
Jag sparkar dig. God, yeah.
My silly boys. I have got a sleeping Theo on me, so I'm gonna try to not speak too loudly. But I am proud of us because we just watched the movie and we don't manage to do that very often, and especially now that we have Theo. But we actually watched the movie here in bed while I was nursing Theo to sleep, and yeah, I'm just excited that this is something that we can do now. And I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because we're tired and I need to edit the vlog before I fall asleep. Please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more of our daily family vlogs, and we will see you tomorrow. And thank you for watching today. Hej då!